Hi everyone, it's Delish Desserts. Today we are going to make cinnamon apple pie bread. It is the perfect Thanksgiving dessert. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine 1/3 cup of light brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir it together with a fork until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. In a large bowl, combine 2/3 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of softened butter. Cream it all together until it is light and fluffy. After that, add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Stir that all together and then add in 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing between each egg. In another bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk those ingredients together and set it aside. To the wet mixture, add in 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add in all of the dry ingredients and then whisk it together. Then add in 1/2 cup of milk. Mix until everything is all well combined. Grease and line a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan and then add in half of your batter. Add in half a chopped apple and then half of your cinnamon mixture. Then add in the rest of your batter and spread it out evenly. Add on the other half of your apples and the other half of the cinnamon mixture. Swirl the cinnamon mixture through the apples with a butter knife until it is well swirled together. Bake this at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. This bread is really moist and really flavorful with all the apples and brown sugar. I hope you'll try this really yummy cinnamon apple pie bread. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Delish Desserts if you haven't already. Comment down below. What is your favorite part of the Thanksgiving meal?